Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G30 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the battery option. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the battery percentage option, so simply tap on the switcher to apply the percentage. As you can see, the only option available in this device is to apply the percentage next to the battery icon. However, thanks to it, it will be much more visible than, for example, applying it inside the battery icon. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.